Alright folks, today we're going to look at a 24 karat gold facial mask. You just apply it, let it dry for about 20 minutes, and peel it off. The intent of the mask is to restore collagen and clean out your pores. The masks retail from $20 to over $200 on Amazon, but I'm going to put a link below to one that's under 20 bucks, and it's absolutely amazing. So if you want to reduce your wrinkles and clean your skin, then pick one up. I'll put an Amazon link below. It's a great gift to give and a great gift to get.